All right, wanted to drop a quick video, guys, because we have been experiencing some issues interfacing with our front end sites. But first and foremost, rest assured that all assets are secured. This is just on the front end websites, and it's also including the digital crypto solution site. So therefore, there's no access to the forum. So I am working with the hosting now to figure out what the problem is. And once we get that resolved, we'll get it out. But in the meantime, I just wanted to let you guys know to come out to X for the digital crypto solution site. So we still have this social profile here. I've already posted information about what's going on with the front end. So if you guys have any questions or want to get updates or whatever the case is, always come out here and check out this particular profile, the Digital Crypto Solutions X profile. And I'll also be giving updates as I find out what the deal is. Now, one interesting thing is that I'm still able to log into our server account. So there's nothing wrong with the server itself. It seems to be something, I don't know if it's with the name servers or um, the connections or something like that, but there is something going on that we're trying to identify and pinpoint. So once we identify that, we'll take the necessary steps to get it resolved. So I just wanted to drop this video real quick just to keep you guys in the know. And again, if you have any questions or need to contact me, come out here to this um, profile, this X profile, and you can leave your comments here. All right, guys, we'll holler at you in a little bit.